The Cabinet on Tuesday decided to regularize the services of 2,447 lower primary, upper primary and non-government lower primary teachers. These teachers were appointed by the administration and the Deputy Inspector of Schools from 1994 to 2007. Speaking to reporters after the Cabinet meeting, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the government has decided to regularize the 2,447 teachers and now they will be receiving the benefits they are supposed to get as regular employees. Sangma said when the state government had taken over the LP schools in 1993, a large number of teachers had been shifted to the government and they became regular government employees.
In spite of the appointments given to them during that period, the actual regularization of their post was never done, which means that they were not getting pension and ACPS, they were not getting all this while. So now with this decision of the Cabinet today to regularize these 2,447 teachers, they will now be regularized, as I said, and they will be receiving, they'll be regularized, and accordingly they will receive the benefits that they're supposed to get as regular employees.
The Department of